Khuborjylla kalong Kloi ban Kyrshan ye kiriu don sap kentup yu Heprit Samborlang renja ubala paunam keleng menta junior Martinez hadin biki video up goal jong u kila sapriang keleng keperthai ong menteri ketenat sports ubak syaklir wajri. Habakrem kila pathai Khubor menteri ulai thu bedang shen ula depru bani kendu yu Heprit ringgat ki bahaying ha office rekam. Ha kejuk Khubor ula pentip bagi Sorkar kamdei ba kaplit jingmut tangha ke football hendai menta kalayat cekmat ban penjanai wat ha kejingin akai kriket.
I've had a meeting. I've met the family of the young star. I've met him as well personally at this very office. We've spoken on so many things, but then we as a government cannot do anything right now because we have the model code of conduct going on. So I've spoken to the family and I've given them my assurance that we from the government are gonna help the little boy for his future endeavors that he's taken to. He's gotten a scholarship from one particular academy. So we, the government, are gonna be helping him. I'm very happy to inform you that I think that is entirely, I will not say, not to be rude or anything, not say it's wrong, but would be happy to inform you that BCCI has taken a stadium at Mawryngkneng, which we are planning for a very big cricket stadium. So it's not that we're looking only at football. We do have a plan in place for cricket as well, in many disciplines. We talk about swimming pool, we are planning for swimming pools, we're planning for tennis. So there are so many things that we're planning. So it's not entirely that our focus is only on football, but our focus is on sports as a whole. Right now, I cannot say much because everything is in talks, we're still in discussion. So once everything is final, then only I can give you a proper statement. We are in talks to come up with a big cricket stadium in Khubor area. Time about 2 to 3 months to finalize everything.